Here's a simple Excel tip that would increase your productivity. Let's start with a fresh spreadsheet. Let's call this tab Data, this tab Financials, and this tab Summary, just to be different. So here, let's say I buy something for $100 and I sell for $135. Now to determine our profit, we would simply say profit is equal to, and we put an equal sign and say sell minus buy. Very straightforward. If I wish to calculate my profit in another sheet, I would go down here, I would say profit, I would go to my data and I say sell minus buy, and I have my profit. What happened here is we had to remember where this data was. And in a large spreadsheet, this could be very complicated. So here is a quick way of doing the same thing using name ranges. Let's go back to data. This time, watch what I'm going to do. I place my cursor here on the 100. And up here in the cell reference, let's say I underscore buy. You can call it anything. Here, I'm going to call it I underscore sell. Now, let's go to this page here. This time I'm going to say profit. Instead of trying to go back and figure out what's involved, I just put equal sign and I'll hit I. Watch, cell is already here. Tab, put a minus sign, I, buy. We now have the profit. If you look at the equation here, it says profit is I sell minus I buy. It doesn't matter where you are. Now if I go to my financial page, I can do the same thing. I can say profit equals I sell, tab there. Always press tab and then put I buy. So this is a way to avoid having to remember where your data is. So let's take a spreadsheet that is really complicated. Here I have a contact page. And let's say in the master page, I'm going to own 23 shares. So I will now name this as not N2928, which I'll never remember. I'll underscore it so it'll stay at the top. My shares. And I'll say others 47 shares. Call it underscore others. So you see that in this master page, I have this information. And if I go to the invoices page and I want to calculate the difference there, all I have to do is difference equal underscore others minus equals tab 24. So if you go back to this masters here, you will see 47 minus 24. Now on this page, it's easy to do the 24, but if you go to another tab, I have several of these, it's a nightmare to try to remember where was it that I had this data. So hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.